Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting power and access ready. Charge the Nest battery to at least 80% or keep the USB-C cable handy for initial setup. This avoids interruptions. You should have the Google Home app installed and be signed in because pairing happens there. Make sure you know the Wi-Fi password and prefer the 4 GHz band for better range. Once done, insert the battery into the camera and press the power button to begin pairing mode. Once the camera is powered, open Google Home and choose Add, Set up Device, New Device, scan the QR on the camera or follow the on-screen code prompts. You select your Wi-Fi network and allow any firmware update. This can take several minutes, so make sure the camera stays still. After update, name the camera and assign a home/room. Enable motion and people alerts now, because those settings sync to the cloud and determine battery usage and notification behavior. Now mount the camera securely at about 7 to 8 feet for good coverage, angling it slightly downward so faces stay in frame. You should test live view, two-way audio, and a motion event while watching notifications, then tweak sensitivity and activity zones to reduce false triggers and save battery. Enable battery saver and set recording schedules to match your needs. If the camera won't connect, power cycle the camera and router first. If that fails, reinsert the battery and factory, reset as the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.